Quilling is an art form that uses strips of paper to create beautiful designs, and we used it to create this simple monogrammed letter A. It may have been time-consuming, but it was very fun to make, and we wanted to show you how. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts. To make the monogrammed letter, we used a canvas, quilling paper, and if you don't have quilling paper, you can use colored printer paper. And if you do, you're going to need a good paper trimmer, any craft glue or school glue, scissors, paint and paintbrush. We used acrylic paint, but oil paints and watercolors will work just fine, and scrap paper. We used the scrap paper to cut out a letter A. We didn't use any specific technique, but we tried to make it as symmetrical as we could. We wanted to do our monogram on a canvas, and since the canvas was plain, we painted it purple. Painting the sides of the canvas is important too. Since we accidentally got paint on our table during the first coat, we protected our work surface before continuing with the paint. Once the paint had dried, we traced our letter A onto the canvas. We cut out strips of paper using our paper trimmer and used it to outline our A. The reason we used printer paper is because it's thicker than quilling paper, and we wanted to use it as a boundary. To keep the paper from warping as it dried, we used these pencils to hold it in place. While that was drying, we began to work on the inside. While there are multiple extremely beautiful and complex ways to fill in the inside of the A, we decided to go for the easiest. We took a strip of quilling paper and scored it with our nail. Then we rolled it up. We wanted loose quills, not tight quills, so we set it down to space out, and then we glued the edge down. As we made the quills, we placed them inside the A to make sure we had enough. To attach the quills to the canvas, apply glue to one side. Then press it down firmly. We did this for all the quills, slowly filling up the A. We had a few extra spaces, so we filled those up with smaller quills. We tapped it on the table to make sure it was firm enough. Any pieces that fell off, we reattached with some glue. And voila! Your monogrammed letter is complete. And here are some of our other quilled creations.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!